Before we start, I need to congratulate Sonakshi for your wedding.
तुझे एकदम से याद है?
Have you congratulated him for his engagement?
That is now a break.
I'm extremely happy because I think this is something that I was waiting for a very long time. I enjoy spending time with Zahir and we're truly best friends. So I love being at work and then being my own person and then running back home and going to him.
Hi, this is Ankita from E-Times and today I have with me the team of Kakuda. And welcome to E-Times. And
Thank you.
Ankita.
Hello, it's such
Hi.
a pleasure to talk to you all. And okay, so the early reviews of the film are really good. People are loving this whole genre, which is obviously coming up. And I need to start with you because this comes after Munjia, and we are in that process where, in that phase where people are really, you know, getting hooked to this genre. And the film was ready, I believe, in 2022, but it...
23, we finished the post-production on it.
Okay.
Just before I went into the shoot of Munja, I remember we had our preview. We all saw the film together nearly a year ago.
Yeah.
So so the film was ready in 23. But Munja really has set up the environment for it, the mood for it. And with when we came out with Munja also, and with this film, we were really hoping that the family audience goes to the theatres and watches a film like this.
Yeah.
Or a film like Kakuda is watched by a family audience at home.
Yeah.
Because horror genres are like, horror comedies are looked at as a very specific niche audience genres. But with the way Munja has been received, I think we are very confident that this film will be watched by people, and I'm sure that now it's set the right mood and the tone. So I couldn't have asked for a better timing for this film to come out.
Absolutely. And you know, I would want to start with Ritesh because your association with Ritesh has been really long with Mauli. He also produced Faster Fene and of course, you know, with this film. So Ritesh, would you want to tell me, was it the character or was it, you know, just this film and working with him that really glued you to the script?
Primarily having worked with Aditya earlier, I know that, you know, Aditya does not take on anything that he's not excited about.
Yeah.
And his excitement for me is with the whole 360 view towards the film. You know, he is someone apart from he gets into the writing process. Even if he gets a complete script or an idea level, he is someone who involves himself in the writing process. I know his process very closely, so I know how involved he is in that aspect of it. And when he called me saying there's something exciting I'm doing, I would want you to hear it. And then I heard it, and the character that he wanted me to play. It was all exciting because also a genre that I have not done before. And when we were doing this, he had just done Zombieville that time. So I know that that's an exciting genre. You know, zombies is a genre that I want to do at some point for sure. And I was excited to work with him. But I think one second. I have to, if I do cast her as a zombie, I'll have to cast her as a zombie that laughs a lot. Yeah, correct. A zombie that laughs, that freaky, that laughter. वो ऐसे zombies throat से आवाज निकलते ना, ये zombie ऐसे हंसेगा.
मैं वो भी कर सकती हूँ.
But I am sure she will have a great ball playing a zombie because that taps into all your.
I love zombie films. I'm obsessed. In fact, I saw Zombieville also and I loved it.
To meet zombie.
Yeah.
The
sharap on the cow because everybody becomes a zombie.
Yeah.
See, now we already have
we have a new
plot for part 2, which needs to be made.
The kind of man he is, he already has 2-3 ideas in his head.
Absolutely. But Sonakshi, what was the challenge for you for this film? You also get possessed in the film, but you know, what was the challenging part for? And this is such a refreshing change after Faridan for your fans. But how was it?
That was actually the most enticing part when I read this script. I was like, "मैं भूत बनेगी अब." I've never done this before. Let's try something.
And just to get excited on the day of that shoot.
Yeah, because in that whole get up and then going and being that and all, and it was just really fun for me to be doing something so different and so new. And in fact, when I read the script, it was such an enjoyable read. I don't watch horror films. I'm a scaredy cat. I don't get sleep at night, and I stay away from them. So I've seen very far and few. Yesterday they were all playing quizzes on horror movies and all, and I was just sitting because I was like, I know none of these films. I have not watched them. I don't intend to watch them. But when I read the script, it was so enjoyable. And you know, again, an opportunity for me to do something different. So that's why I did, and I really had a fun time, and I wouldn't mind doing it again.
Absolutely. Saqib, do you think you sort of underplayed this character in a way, and also, you know, to get the accent right, and you know, just the whole film and the genre. You know, what was the fun part for you?
No, just the fact that I was getting to play a part where I play a simpleton coming from this village who doesn't know English, has a very limited worldview, is very superstitious. So those are very exciting things to already play with. And then in the film I get a physicality, I get a hump on my back. So I felt like as an actor that would just be a very interesting space to get into, tap into, and just have fun. We had a great bunch of actors. We were just playing off one another, cracking jokes, off set, on set. And I remember when I read the script, Ankita, I'm not a reader, so I can't read some material and be like, oh wow, what beautiful material. But my only judgment is कि मैं स्कूल में पढ़ाई में वीक था, तो जब भी मैं पढ़ता था मैं 5 मिनट में सो जाता था. If I read a script and finish it in one go in an hour, that means it's really kept me hooked, right? And that's what happened with this film. I really laughed, and I'm like, Arey, this is a very different kind of part for me. I'm usually either playing a sport in a film, or I'm playing a secret agent somewhere, or I'm playing a gangster somewhere. And right now I have to play a simpleton where I have to bring the niceness out of this guy, and so that was very exciting for me. Or bas.
It's also interesting because you know you come across like also an urban guy, but I think it's a great change for people to see you as this.
No, it's
you know,
very
village
exciting
guy.
to it's very exciting to always pick up an accent when you're doing something. It just adds more authenticity to the part. And so we had a dialect person on the film who took us through the whole accent. पहले दिन तो he came और उसने हमें व्याकरण वगैरह सिखाई, तो हम सब confused हो गए. Then we met Aditya. Aditya's like, नहीं, you have to sound like this. So then we did the workshops like that. So yes, it's very exciting to be picking up on accents. I think that's also what makes this world more exciting.
And now after the workshop, he's forgotten how to speak.
Normally.
Yeah.
मैं कर पाऊँगा.
कर पाऊँगा.
You know, Ritesh, it's so interesting for me to see you as an actor and your journey. But you know, how do you feel about the fact that 20 years later, as an actor, you found this credibility where people know that when you are a part of the film, they want to look forward to it, despite the fact that you know you're not somebody who's constantly doing a lot of work back to back, like 4 films. You choose films when you know that it will do justice perhaps to what you have to offer as an actor.
No, I
but
think
do you think that credibility is what keeps you going, because you formed that?
I just feel lucky to have you know, part of films that have worked at the box office. And any kind of credibility that anyone builds is only how people receive the film. Whatever craft you have, however good you are, it doesn't really matter unless and until people want to watch you, or you know, validate with a certain kind of box office numbers. That's how it works, of course. And I've been lucky to be part. But also, I feel in the last 5 years, consciously I've decided to just work with people that I enjoy working with. And if a subject, however, you know, there's also a thing where, you know, subject is great, okay, but somewhere you feel the person who's come to narrate you, you're not too confident that he'll be able to pull off, or even if you're confident he'll be able to pull off, you don't think the producer or someone backing, you know, there are 4 things: script, director, producer, and the team. If all have to align itself for it to work. And I just feel, and films like Kakudakam, where RSVP is a reputed, you know, production house that I wanted to work with. Aditya was there, and you have credible actors, so everything works out very fine. Okay, fine, let's go and do it. It's also a genre that you want to do.
Yeah.
And in last 5 years, I have been concentrating more on also Marathi films, and I'm excited about production. So probably that also gives me some time to, you know, okay, fine, I don't need to do as many Hindi films. I can do one Marathi film, one Hindi film, and I don't do too many films, so I'm okay with that.
Yeah. But so adding to that, you know, two of you, I think even in your respective journeys, you know, it's so beautiful that you all have not gotten into this formulaic route or a rat race where for an actor to be relevant, you have to be constantly seen, but you know, to have that patience and to make those choices, how would you look at that, and has that been sort of also difficult to always pick your own route, irrespective of, you know, what's working?
I don't know. I think it's just happened very organically for me because I'm a very low-key person and I don't like every part of my life being out there.
Yeah.
So I look at it as my work, and which is a part of my life. It's not my entire life. So I kind of make that demarcation. And that's what's worked for me. I do the kind of work that I want to do. Like, I'm very instinctive when I choose a film, when I want to do a film. It comes from the fact that, oh, ये मुझे अच्छी लगी कर लेते हैं, नहीं अच्छी लगी नहीं करना. It's literally as simple as ABC for me. You know, when it comes to that, and that's how I've always been. And I just feel it's very difficult to keep up with what everybody else is doing, and you know how much this person is seen or that person is seen. If it's not inherently in me, that will tire me out. It'll just exhaust me. It'll just drain me, and I need that energy for my work. So I think that's how I look at it.
Saqib?
No, I think you're as relevant as you want to be. I don't know. Of course, there was a time in my life, I can say that, of course, you were always trying really hard to be like, okay, oh, that actor is doing 3 films. Arey, what am I doing? I should be doing more. Of course, because there are people around you that build an environment like that. But then there came a time where I realized that, yaar, there'll always be some person in life जिसके पास ज़्यादा होगा मुझसे. तो जो मेरी प्लेट में है, मैं उसको अच्छे से पका के खा लेता हूँ. So that gave me a lot of comfort. कि let's just focus on what you have and let's just try and build on that and find maza in that. And what Ritesh said, find your people you enjoy working with, and find that ecosystem. If you have that, then you're very relevant. Yaar. It's all here, how relevant you are or how relevant you're not.
Yeah, absolutely. I want to ask you as a director, if you had to pick one quality, best quality of as an actor for all 3 of them, what would you pick after working with them?
I think not one. They have a lot of qualities I would
but
like
the
to
best.
The best, I do feel that with Sonakshi, whatever I've seen of her, you know, the ease at how she kind of just blends into a narrative, like how she just kind of walks onto a set and just becomes the character. I have not seen a lot of actors kind of so easily do it, and she does it. And I know there's a lot of effort behind it, but that doesn't show. Like that effort doesn't is not made to be visible, you know, a lot on the set.
That is true.
So I think that's a gift, and I think it's a massive talent, and it's not so easy to kind of get that. So I'm sure when she switches from being the ghost to a normal girl, and then she goes back to being herself, I think all those switches must be hard, but they seem very effortless. Effortless. Saqib is passionate. He's all heart. I think he's somebody who gives himself and more to a project and to a film, and whenever he commits, Then it is, I think, how he makes friends also. I think that's how he lives his life also, is what I am assuming.
Is he talking about only your work?
No, I'm talking about everything.
Just concentrate. He's saying nice things about me. Please don't feel jealous here.
But I've seen him live like this also. That when he commits to people around him, he commits. Like he's all in. So with his films also, I do see that all-in approach whenever he's in it. And he is the person who kind of always saw to it that everybody came together. everybody had a good time together. He post-shoot, and I think it's very important that after shooting, you know, when you're kind of spending time on the set, and we did outdoor shoots a lot, he used to be the guy who used to kind of after shoot say, "Kya kar rahe sab log? Chalo milte hain, chalo ek saath," and that helps in team building.
Yeah.
So he did that, and Ritesh sir is extremely professional, extremely sorted, extremely clear about why he's there, what he's doing, and I see I know him for 8 years now. So I wouldn't be working with him if I was not fond of him. There is too many things about him that kind of, and he's a filmmaker, and that is something I'm so glad he's doing now. As a director, he's making films. So he sees the film in a perspective where he knows what the film's larger purpose is, and he works towards it. So I think it's great to have such a team on board.
I need to congratulate Sonakshi for your wedding.
तुझे एकदम से याद है अभी चल रही थी फिल्म प्रमोशन
because काकुदा की बात कर रही थी ना
पहले काम की बात कर ली उसने
बट इसका नहीं करें
Have you congratulated him for his engagement?
छूटा आदमी
That is now a breaking.
बड़ा लायर
अरे ये अनाउंस कर दिया
जस्ट अरे यार
Saket, this is like now
what a good actor I must say भाई I must say
Please spill the beans.
Hey, Kaka,
अरे यार ये
don't show this, don't show this. I'm so sorry.
You're going to hide it from
लगे आता मेरे पास
Puppet.
2 सवाल हैं.
No, but the thing is,
he's been wanting me to get married because now Sona is also married from
we all want him to get married.
Adi is married, so अब मैं ही बचाऊँ तो ये रोज कल से
3
भाई
married
मेरे
people
पीछे
and
लगे
1 not. So थोड़ा off है ना वो.
Yeah. But you know, Sonakshi, you know, yesterday you posted that video and everybody is in the comments is saying that it is so beautiful and real and the most candid real wedding video people have seen. But with the whole thing, what is your feeling like and how happy are you? And you know, how does it feel to be married?
I'm extremely happy because I think this is something that I was waiting for a very long time, and now I feel that I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be.
Yeah.
It does feel like being home finally, you know, and I enjoy spending time with Zahir, and we're truly best friends. So I love being at work and then being my own person and then running back home and going to him. And I wish it had happened sooner, but better late than never.
How does it feel to finally open up? Because I remember you put that selfie and you're no longer pretending to be friends.
Relieving. I feel so light, I can't tell you. Because of course you're in love with the person.
One would always see that
Yeah,
green
that green
circle around your stories and like it says Zahir or
because
Sonakshi
I'm like,
photo.
oh, it's such a cute picture, I need to post it and all, but I can't post it.
You know, she had launched her brand and she had done a big announcement. I was hoping, I thought, अच्छा announcement हो रही
By
है.
the way, that shoulder was also Zahir only. Yeah.
So yeah, finally y'all can be public about
Yeah, absolutely.
शादी के बाद हो जाना चाहिए
It's very, yeah, I think so. It's about time. I think it's very, like, it just lightens you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
so
Thank you,
much.
thank you, thank you.